A learning module showing a family of a farmer in torn, dirty clothes has received criticisms from some senators. But according to the DepEd, it has zero-tolerance policy against stereotyping and other forms of discrimination. Hence, it will investigate the matter, as we hear from PTV's Eunice Samonte.
With dirty and patched up clothes seemingly portrayed as poor and needy individuals. Unfortunately, this is how a module depicted a farmer and his family in this stereotyped picture. This was used as a learning material for students in their distance learning, which raised the eyebrows of the netizens, including some senators.
Karamihan ng ating mga magsasaka ay mahirap, pero kung ganito ang presentasyon, mahirap ho sila, pero parang dito ang stereotyping no, na parang anong tawag dito, parang kasuklam-suklam.
During the budget hearing of the Department of Education, it was Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan who raised the issue. The senator said this is not how farmers should be known by children, especially that they should be respected for doing a difficult job.
Parang ano hong magiging mensahe sa ating mga kabataan na magiging hindi katanggap-tanggap ang maging magsasaka?
The senator also pointed out the stereotyping in the agriculture sector, especially used by some people to mean low grades and failed marks.
Kung ikaw ay yun din, hindi masipag, hindi masinop sa trabaho, ikaw ay pupulutin sa kangkungan. Masama na naman. Pag ikaw naman ay mababa ang grade, nangingitlog. Agriculture na naman. Puro mababa ang tingin, demeaning, pejorative, and I think it should start with the DepEd. Change the stereotyping.
Pangilinan pointed out that it is the Department of Education that should start teaching the youth the value of the low-income but hard-working individuals like the farmers and those in the agriculture sector.
I read the response of Secretary Briones also. She said that DepEd has a zero-tolerance policy against stereotyping and other forms of discrimination. Rest assured that we will look into this matter and whether this is really from DepEd and conduct a full investigation regarding the incident. Sanctions will be imposed from the Secretary.
But according to DepEd, they are now investigating where and how did this module start before it reached the students. DepEd Secretary Eleanor Briones said they will issue a statement regarding the matter. Eunice Samonte for The Nation.